Mortgage rates, what are they doing today? And biggest piece, what is the forecast going from here? I'm Stephanie Johnston with the Johnston team at Service First Mortgage, and give y'all guys a little quick update of what's happening with rates. So I think everyone's heard that mortgage rates are elevated because inflation was increased over the last couple of years. And the Fed is using it as a tool to decrease inflation. So CPI, Consumer Price Index, is a measure of inflation. And there's a couple other ones, but it's the main one that we watch. That number comes out monthly, but the numbers that you see when the Fed says they have a target of 2% inflation is a 12-month average of those monthly figures. So this month, the core inflation, or the headline inflation, was actually at 0%. And the core inflation, which takes out food and energy because they're volatile, was at 0.2%. Meaning that this month we met the Fed's goal for inflation, which is great. We met it. Over a 12-month average of all the inflationary numbers we've had over 12 months, we're running at 3.2%, down from 3.7 last month, their target of 2. So what that means is if we can continue to have these great reports or just stay where we are this month, we're going to by default have those higher numbers fall off, and we are going to reach that Fed's interest rate inflationary target of 2%. So once that's met, again, that's the only reason interest rates have, come to this level. We're going to not see the Fed raise rates further, and then start to see the Fed decrease rates, which we do think will be in 2024. So we saw interest rates come down today, some based on this. There's another report tomorrow called PPI, which is an inflationary figure that will also kind of lead to what's going on. And I think the best news again for this is, yes, again, we saw some rate relief today, so rates are better than they were, but that we see a light at the end of the tunnel. I know we are all tired of talking about elevated rates, and I want to just give people lower interest rates. We are finally to the point of being able to probably do that, hopefully sooner than later. So again, if you want to look at specific rate quotes, they change every day, different scenarios for each customer. Happy to go over those, as well as forecasting for where we think rates are going to be and how that kind of affects payments. But want to give you just a quick update on what's going on. Again, Stephanie over at the Johnston team at Service First Mortgage, and look forward to assisting you soon. Thank you.